Working on a E46 BMW, just making a quick video showing you that when you're checking these ball joints, they're not necessarily bad because they have a little bit of movement in them. Most cars, you know, you pry on them or you squeeze them a little bit and you see play in the ball joint that way. These ones are rubber isolated, so if you pry on them, they'll always have a little bit of movement. You can see the ball joint goes into this little cup, and it's isolated from the arm that way. So there's always a little bit of play in the ball joint. So that's it. So if you feel play in it, but it's returns back more softly, like rubber, if it has a rubbery feel when you're testing it, then that's how it should be. And if it's more like a solid clunk when you go to squeeze these with a pair of channel locks or however you want to test it, then it's the ball joint itself is bad. So you can kind of feel the difference, but I've seen a lot of these replaced for no reason. So that's it. Thanks.